million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Reshine Hair. Y'all know how we do human hair on this channel. We will work with a company once if we like them. We'll continue to work with them. If they trash, we'll say that, and you know, they get pissed off and we never hear from them again, but oh well. We like Reshine Hair, okay? If you look in the description box, you see a direct link to this wig, the details, all that jazz. Let's open it up and see what we got going on inside of this box. Okay, so they got all these little scan QR codes in there. And then you have the wig. They also put some 3D say eyelashes in here, some wig caps, an edge brush, and how to take care, a care card for your wig sauce. Okay, I'm reading the information directly off the package, but like I said, look in that box. This is a 26-inch water wave wig with 180 density, aka heat stroke central. Because y'all know I'm back and forth between Mississippi and Louisiana, and it is hot. Okay, but I feel like this wig is going to be so friggin' beautiful. Okay, this is different when I show you the lace. Okay, so it's 26 inches long, 180 density water wave. But look at the lace. Okay, it's a 4x4 little closure, it looks like. Okay, so it has the band pre-sewn in it, which that's a plus. It's gonna make the wig lay flush to your little head. But they say that their lace is supposed to be extremely blendable. That's a little 4x4 a closure. Say it's supposed to be extremely blendable to your head. They put a piece here for me to show you how blendable this lace is, but y'all know me, I am gonna put this on my head and show you as well. But okay, that y'all, that is pretty darn good, huh? But let's see what this wig hitting on when I slap it on my head. The other thing is there is no combs in this wig, but they say it's because this band and this lace is supposed to make it lay pretty flush to your head. Let me adjust this band because I feel like it wasn't tight enough. All right, let me put this on my head before I cut off the lace. Y'all, I don't think it's gonna be no lace to cut off, y'all. Look at that. Okay, let me, that's like no ring light. That's my stocking cap that you see. Y'all, that does look pretty good, huh? Oh, y'all. Okay, first of all, it ain't on my head, right? And you don't have to wear this down the middle. Of course, you can shift it. Let's play around with this. And then, y'all, that looks pretty good. Or a closure, huh? Let's play around this, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I was talking Cash Money, SHIT, about this wig because I was kind of confused. Y'all, that's no lace to cut off. I'm sorry, I'm doing the air grab. Y'all, that's how excited I am. And y'all know I don't really get that way about human hair. There's no lace to cut off. Y'all, that's like, I just ran some powder across that little bit that was there and bloop. That's no baby hairs. All I did was apply water to really the front. I still didn't put it right here in the back, just to show you what it's going to look like wet or dry. And y'all, this is absolutely beautiful. I can 1010% recommend this wig if you're looking for something that's going to slay but be easy. This is the ease that synthetic gives you, but human hair quality, y'all. This is just beautiful. Reshine Hair knocked this one out the park. I filmed 6 human hair wigs today, and when by far, when you see me in this little blue shirt, this one by Reshine Hair is my most favorite out of all of them that I filmed. I did have a trash one. I'm not sure if it's gone up. But in it, I tell you that it's trash. This one definitely is not, y'all. I love this one. Definitely recommend this wig. Like I always say, maybe you're not into hair. Maybe it's your Auntie Reba. Maybe it's your Uncle Rufus. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Reshine Hair gonna get them right, y'all. This is beautiful. Beginner friendly, wig slayer friendly, all that friendly. You gonna have friends in here. You gonna lose friends because they wig don't look as good. This wig is just, this is it. Get this one. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.